Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a filing so exciting it's about as thrilling as watching paint dry on a self-storage unit. Seriously though, we are going to look at the details of a fully subscribed real estate investment trust or REITs, All-State Investment Trusts or REITs. Alti, before we jump in, if you find getting straight up information from these corporate filings valuable, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Chambriov Discord community linked in the description below. So what's the story here? Invesco Real Estate Income Trust Inc. announced that it has fully subscribed a Delaware statutory trust, DST, called IRX to self-storage portfolio. Basically, this means they successfully raised $85.7 million for a portfolio of self-storage units. A DST is a specific type of real estate investment that allows investors to own a portion of a larger property, in this case, a collection of self-storage facilities. The fact that it's fully subscribed means they hit their fundraising goal. Now, why is this news important enough to file with the SEC? Well, it falls under what's called Regulation FD Disclosure. This regulation basically says companies can't selectively share important information with a few people, like big investors. If they share something that could affect the company's stock price, they have to make it public to everyone at the same time. So the company decided to release this and avoid selective dealing. So back to this IRX2 self-storage portfolio DST, what does it even mean to have a self-storage portfolio? Well, this DST is all about investing in self-storage units. You know, those places where people store their extra stuff like furniture, old holiday decorations, or that exercise bike they never use. Self-storage can actually be a pretty reliable income stream because frankly, people accumulate income stream. 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 Because frankly, people accumulate a lot of stuff by packaging these facilities into a DST. A company like Invesco makes it easier for smaller investors to get a piece of the real estate pie without having to buy an entire storage facility themselves. This report includes the press release that was issued on July 2025. Press releases are marketing materials but have to be shared with the SEC so someone is watching at all times. Now let's step back and think about this Invesco's position. A REIT specializes in owning and managing income-producing real estate. They raise money from investors and directly acquire properties, or in this case create a DST, which is a way of pooling investor funds to buy a bigger real estate asset than most individuals could afford. REITs are often seen as attractive investments because they typically distribute a significant portion of their income to shareholders. Think of it like a dividend, but from real estate. Remember, this particular REIT focuses on real estate, and it's not the only type of REIT that exists. Alright, that's the long and short of it. They completed raising the funds for this DST, and they're letting everyone know. Is there anything here that's truly concerning? Not really. It's a fairly standard announcement, but it's nice to know what they are up to. So what is my judgment? Here's the thing about REITs. They're often viewed as dependable income generators because of the steady rental income and dividends they pay. But they are still subject to interest rate, economic conditions, and overall demand in the real estate market. Self-storage units are particularly interesting because during downturns, people may want to downsize their houses and store their stuff. That could be a boon for this DST. Alright, that's our breakdown of Invesco Real Estate Income Trust Inc.'s latest filing. What's your take on this announcement and what it signals for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives into financial documents. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.